Hi, uh, today I'm gonna teach you how to install the free VPN. It's completely secure and without hassle free. Okay, so let's start. First of all, open your Chrome browser and type 1.1.1 and open the internet. The website is open. So this is the free VPN. This is called the DNS. It will secure your private DNS and your internet will be completely anonymous. Let I will show you the example. This is the website x.com, which is currently disabled in the Pakistan, and it's not working. The website is not opening. See this? It will be give the error. So what there's a if this VPN is available on the lot of device, Play App Store, Google Play, Mac OS, Windows, Linux. We need to go to Windows. Okay, and Windows, and after that we will save it on downloads, programs. Yeah, it's downloading. See this? It's failed script. It's mean this is not working. The website is not opening. Okay, so that's it's downloading. It's cheap. Have a look on it. You are on the tap away from a safer internet, free, fast, private. Use the internet fast LAN built in a massive network. We will check my IP address.com. I will show you. This is my IP currently I am using. So it's downloaded. We need to go to the folder and start installing. Oh, it's already installed in my system, so we need to click on VPN. Yes, finish. It's installed, and after that, see this, the website is not opening without VPN. So let's try. After installing, the icon will be here. Right click, yes, next, accept. It's registering my network. Click on the connect. Very simple, just click on this connect button. See this connect and internet private. Right click here with drag. Done. Need to check my IP first. See this, my IP will change into IPv6 address. It's completely anonymous. Now we need to open the closed website. See this, it's open. And need to check x.com is the Twitter. It's opening very fast. Okay. So need to check speedtest.net. Okay. See this, it's showing the Cloudflare wrap IP. Mostly my internet is working on the 10 to 15 MB. My internet speed is also increased. It's changed to the 20. So here it is, and you need to install this VPN and enjoy the free and secure internet at your home or any device. Thank you, and subscribe us for our latest video. I hope you will like it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.